All right. Hello, hello. Welcome to lesson 2, part 1. It's really, really cool to have you back. Okay. Without further ado, we've got some things to get right back into. Um, just like as I stated in lesson 1, we will always start off with our rhythm workout to get our minds engaged and to start getting our T's and Ta's and tickas all going. Okay, so just like before, we'll go through both workout 1 and 2, and then we'll get into some really fun stuff. Okay, here we go. As you remember from last time, we're doing steady beat, just on the chest or your lap or whatever to keep the steady beat going. Starting with number 1 and working on down, and then we'll flip over to page 2. Okay, and here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Nice. Number 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. Nice. Number 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti. Nice. Round of applause for all of you. Very nice job. Okay, moving on to workout page number 2. Now remember, this one has shh and tickas. So make sure to keep an eye out for those, and we'll go ahead and get right on into it. Back to the steady beat. Starting on number 1. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ticka, ta. Ta, ticka, ti, ti, ta. Now, take your hand off for a moment, stop the steady beat. I just made the mistake too. Make sure that you hold that half note all the way to the end of the measure. Don't let it cut off. All right, moving on to number 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka, ti, ti, ta, ta, sh, ti, ti, ta. Nice. Number 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ticka, ti, ti, sh, ta. Number 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ti, ti, ta, ticka, sh, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, sh, ta. Nice. Number 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ticka, ta. Nice. Way to be. Give yourselves a round of applause. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Ends off that little guy. Okay, I have 3 really fun activities for us to do inside each part. They're going to be a lot of fun. Starting off with my good old friend, my dancing penguin. Sorry. Let me get a drink real quick. Sorry. My goodness. Restocked on lemonade too, so we are perfect. All right. This is our dancing penguin game. Super easy. Take this for example. We have 3 options on this side. Now, the penguin here, when I click on him, he's going to sing us a little song, or at least sing us a rhythm, and we have to choose what rhythm we think the penguin's saying. So, for example, let's try this one out. Let me have it do it one more time. Listen to it one more time. All right, and now we are going to try and guess about which one we think it might be. If I had to guess, I think it's this one right here, this third option. Oh my goodness. And we'll have little dance breaks there too. So it's really cool. Okay, so let's try the rhythm out together. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety tee tee tickety ta. Nice, nice. All right, moving on. Oh my goodness. All right, listen to the penguin while I take a drink. Try it one more time. It's a toughie. Good golly, sorry. Listen to it one more time. All right. Now, what rhythm do you think that might be? Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. I think I'm back to normal. Sorry. Okay. What rhythm do you think that might be? I heard a little bit of a space in there, so there's definitely a rest somewhere inside there. Do you think it's number 1 right here? You think it's this one? Or you think it's this one? It's toughy. Maybe this one? Not right. That's okay. It's actually this one. A little dance break. Gotta love dance breaks. Okay, let's go ahead and practice this one together. Okay, folks. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, tickety, ta. Nice, good job. Really, really nice job. All right, moving on. That's a tough one. Let's listen to it one more time. All right, last time. Okay, books. What do you guys think it might be? You think it's this one right up here, the second one, or this third one? Da 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 da. I think second one. Nice job. Okay, yep, that's perfect. It was the second one. Okay, let's go ahead and practice this rhythm together. All right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, tickety, T, T, ta. Not bad, guys. Not bad, not bad. Really nice job. Let's go ahead and keep it going. Let's listen to it one more time. Okay. Last time. That one's a toughie. What do you guys think it might be? This one right here? This one? Or this one? Let's try that one. A little dance break. Nice job, nice job. Doing really, really good. Okay, let's go and practice this rhythm together. Go, let's get that steady beat going. And 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, tickety, tickety, ta. Very nice. Very nice job. Let's keep it going. What's the next one, my little penguin friend? A lot of ticketies in there, aren't there? Let's hear it one more time. Okay. Last time. All right. Interessante. Okay. What option do you guys think it might be? This top one, second one, or this third one? I would probably say this one. Nice. Very nice job. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's hear it again from this lovely penguin. Oh, did we? Oh, I'm so sorry. We didn't even do the rhythm. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Okay, let's do this rhythm together. All right. Steady beat on the chest. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, 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 ta. A lot of tickety isn't there, are there? It's true. Okay, let's hear the next one. Okay. Let's hear it one more time. Okay. Let's hear it one last time. It's a toughie. Okay. Let's go with... You guys think the bottom one? Very nice. Good job. Very, very nice. Okay, let's try this rhythm together. Right on down here. Get that steady beat going. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, tickety, tee, tee. Nice. Very nice job. Sounding beautiful, guys. Let's keep it going. Alright, this one will be the last one. Look at how long this thing is. Okay, a real test. Here we go. Oh man, let's hear it one more time. Last time. It's a tough choice. I think it's going to be revealed in the next part. I'm leaving you guys on a cliffhanger. That's just too good. Okay. Okay, folks, we're nearing our 15-minute mark on this one. We will continue finishing off that penguin guy right there, and then we're going to move into some really fun stuff for the next one. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next part, in part 2. See ya.